In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Jackson Hewitt account. This process is essential for those who might be having trouble accessing their account, whether you've forgotten your username or password, or if you're dealing with an outdated email. Let's walk through this step-by-step guide to regain access to your Jackson Hewitt account seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to head to the Jackson Hewitt online login page. This is where we'll kick off the journey to recovering your account information. Once you're on the login page, take a look around and locate the Need Help Signing In link. Clicking this link will open up a new page that's dedicated to helping you recover your credentials. This is the go-to place if you're unsure about your account details. If you've forgotten your username, don't worry. On that same help page, there's an option titled Forgot Username. Selecting this will guide you through the process of retrieving your username using the email that you had registered with Jackson Hewitt. Remember to double check your email inbox for any messages that might have landed in your spam folder, just in case. Now, if it's the password you've forgotten, not to fret, there's a distinct option for forgot password as well. This option will similarly require you to input your username or email and help you reset the password to something you'll remember. In cases where you no longer have access to the email address associated with your account, it might seem tough, but there's a solution. On the recovery page, select I no longer have access to the email on my account and follow the instructions provided. This often involves verification through other means, such as security questions or alternative contact options. If you're curious about resetting your MyJH password specifically, there's a section dedicated to that too. You just need to head over to the MyJH login page and look for the Forgot Password link next to the password field. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your username. After that, click Continue. Shortly, an access code will be sent to the email address that's registered with your Jackson Hewitt account. Be on the lookout for an email from webmaster@jacksonhewitt.com. Once you've received the code, enter it into the field provided and click Continue. On the following screen, you'll have the opportunity to set a new password. Make sure it's something strong but memorable to help avoid future trouble. Enter your new password in the required fields, and there you go. You've successfully completed your Jackson Hewitt account recovery. And that's it. You've now learned how to navigate all the steps necessary to recover your Jackson Hewitt account so you can get back to managing your taxes without any hassle. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you still have questions, be sure to check the frequently asked questions section on the Jackson Hewitt website for more information. Happy recovering!